Welcome to The Explainer. I am so thrilled you're joining us today because, let's be honest, we're looking at a topic that is literally rewiring the business world from the ground up. We're opening up the hood to look at AI-driven commerce. Now, we all know AI is the buzzword of the decade, but we are moving far, far past the era of cool experimental pilot programs. Today, AI is the new engine of retail. It's completely reshaping how organizations operate, how they figure out what to charge you, and exactly how they handle your customer service requests. We've synthesized some absolutely incredible data from Launch Consulting, Deloitte Insights, Nomtech, and IBM to show you exactly how this evolutionary engine works. Let's get started. Okay, let's dive right into this. 2.5 times. Just think about that number for a second. According to data from Launch Consulting, U.S. retailers that have actually achieved enterprise scale with AI, they're seeing a massive 2.5x more profit than those who haven't. And we aren't just talking about revenue here, profit. This is a fundamental shift in unit economics. Businesses that are still treating AI like a little side project or some temporary novelty, well, they're going to be totally outpaced and out-earned by the companies that are embedding it everywhere. So, here's our roadmap for today. We'll start with the AI commerce revolution, then look at designing better decisions, move into the dynamic pricing engine, check out the rise of agentic CX, and finally wrap up with the Human-AI Alliance. All right, part one, the AI commerce revolution. The adoption data here is just staggering. By 2027, a whopping 90% of retailers are expected to have scaled AI across their key business functions. We're talking everything from logistics to marketing. And look at this. A Deloitte survey shows 60% of executives globally are already using AI regularly to back up their decision-making. So the writing's really on the wall here. If you're stuck in pilot mode, just tinkering with isolated experiments, the market's already zooming past you. So how do you actually make that leap from a neat little pilot to a full-blown enterprise platform? It really comes down to 3 concrete steps. First up, you absolutely need a unified data foundation. You've got to smash those data silos, right? Because AI desperately needs a centralized, squeaky clean data environment to do its magic. Second is cross-functional alignment. You need total buy-in across the whole organization, from the merchandising team all the way down to IT. And third, change management. You have to upskill your people so they actually know how to work alongside these powerful new tools. Basically, you need bulletproof data, total team buy-in, and smart folks to make AI truly scale. Moving on to part 2, designing better decisions. You know, the organizations that really succeed with AI, they pre-assign guardrails based on risk. It's kind of like Amazon's famous one-way versus two-way door concept, which fits perfectly with Deloitte's decision framework. Think about it. A two-way door is a reversible decision, like tweaking the color of a button on your website. AI can make those calls all day long, instantly. But a one-way door,